Hello Casablanca families, this is a brief tutorial on how to log into Teams. The first step once your computer is turned on is to find Teams on the computer. If you do not see it on the taskbar as shown below, you can find it following these steps. So this is the taskbar. If you see it down here, it's the dark blue T with like a stylized person behind it. But if you don't see it there, follow these steps. So your first thing is by clicking on the magnifying glass, which is right here. That will bring up this search bar. Within that search bar, you start typing in Teams. And usually you only need to put the first few letters of any app that you're trying to search for, and it'll appear as shown below. So I just took a screenshot. I just typed in TEA, and you can see Teams is right there. This search bar can be used for any app or application, any software you're looking for. So if you were looking for a Word document, you could start typing in Word there, and it'll show up here. So once it's shown up here, all you need to do is click here with your mouse. So you're going to move your mouse cursor up to this, and then you're going to left click the mouse button. The mouse buttons are located on the top of your mouse, and there is a difference between the left side and the right side. So you want to click the left side on the top. Once you click on Teams, you'll be shown the screen below. Your student's username is in the following format. It's first name, period, last name at cbcschools.com. For example, if my name was Joe Cool, my username would be joe.cool@cbcschools.com. It is important that this at CBC Schools is correctly put in as well as the name. You think of it as a phone number, and if one digit is wrong, you'll not be calling who you intend it to call. So some common mistakes here is that people put in cbcsschools.com, and it's just CBC and then schools. Another common mistake is they forget to put the S at the end of school. So again, it's CBCSCHOOLS dot, which is a period, COM. You will then be asked to put in your password, and passwords are grade specific and need to put in exactly as shown. So within this enter password, you need to make sure that you see the cursor there. That's the line going up and down. And then depending on what grade your child is in, here's a list of the passwords. A couple things that are really important. For example, in kindergarten, it's kind, CASA 2021. That K needs to be capitalized and that C needs to be capitalized. Nothing else is capitalized, just the K and C for kindergarten. For first grade, you just got to remember to capitalize that C. And same thing for second, third, fourth, and fifth. If that C is not capitalized, it won't recognize the password. Again, think of this as a telephone number. If you have one digit off, you're not going to be connected to who you were calling. I hope that helps. If you have any issues, you can contact your child's teacher and for help. If they aren't able to help you, they will direct you to somebody who can.